The following hints and tips apply to either the AccuBird and PowerBird series tools. If the blind rivet is not set, please check first if the battery is charged. A green blinking LED indicates the charging process. A permanent green light indicates the battery is now fully charged. A permanent red LED signals overheating of the battery. Please allow to cool before charging. You may then charge the cooled battery. A red blinking LED signals a defect battery. Replace the battery and only use an original Gesipa battery. Dirty jaws can cause a further malfunction. Please first remove the battery from the appliance and release the head with a number 27 flat wrench. Then release the jaw mechanism with a number 14 and number 17 flat wrench. You can now clean the jaws. Grease the inside of the jaw casing with a high-quality bearing grease. You can now replace the jaws. Rusty or blunt jaws should always be replaced. Regular cleaning significantly increases the lifespan of the jaws. If the blind rivet is not set properly, the pressure spring may have slackened. If required, please replace it. A loose jaw mechanism may block the riveting process. Disassemble. Check the jaw casing and tighten it. Gesipa wishes you years of fun at work. Reliable, practical, in proven quality. Gesipa, the professionals in blind rivet technology.